Pressure Washing Beast Mode. Westinghouse ePX3500 turns grime into dust and you into a cleaning god. Let's be honest, outdoor cleaning sucks. You're stuck dragging leak hoses, ancient sprayers, and underwhelming washers around like it's a medieval punishment. Your car stays greasy, your driveway's a disaster, and your patio looks like it's hosting a dirt convention. You're burning precious hours scrubbing away with tools that don't deliver. And worse? You're not even getting results. No one wants to spend their day stuck in cleaning purgatory, frustrated, exhausted, and wishing there was a better way. You don't need another cleaning project, you need a pressure washing game changer that does the heavy lifting while you chill like a legend. Now crank that frustration to 11. You've got guests arriving in an hour, and your fence still looks like it's been through a swamp fight. The mold won't budge. Your tools are betraying you, your hose coiled itself into a pretzel, and that dusty pressure washer you bought during lockdown wheezes more than it cleans. The grime mocks you. You start to sweat, not from the labor, but from rage. It's no longer about cleaning, it's about survival. That's when you realize the real problem isn't the mess, it's your weapon. And friend, you're seriously undergunned. Meet the Westinghouse ePX3500, the lean, mean, dirt-demolishing machine built to annihilate messes with god-tier precision. This isn't some toy washer, it's a 2500 max psi, 1.76 GPM beast that shows mildew, tar, oil, and mud the door. It rolls like a dream thanks to 360 degrees four-wheel steering and anti-tipping tech that keeps you in control, even on uneven terrain. Toss in a Steel Pro wand, 5 quick connect nozzles, and a 20 ounces onboard soap tank, and you've got a full-blown grime-fighting arsenal in a compact 19 pounds body. It's sleek, badass, and terrifyingly effective. Your dirt doesn't stand a chance. This machine doesn't just blast, it thinks. The total stop system auto-pauses the pump when you're off the trigger, conserving power and extending its lifespan. You'll love the 25-foot easy coil hose that doesn't tangle like spaghetti, and the whisper quiet hum that won't wake the neighbors. From patios to pickup trucks, driveways to doghouses, the ePX3500 erases years of gunk in minutes. It's engineered for efficiency, designed for convenience, and tuned for those who demand pro results without pro-level hassle. Fast setup, fast action, and even faster bragging rights, it's like getting a pressure washing superpower straight out the box. So why wait for grime to ruin another weekend? The Westinghouse ePX3500 is the secret weapon your Saturday's been crying for. Reviews? Glowing. Support? Legendary. Performance? Unreal. And with a 3-year limited warranty and lifetime tech support, you're covered from every angle. Stock flies fast, so don't snooze on this. Reclaim your time, dignity, and curb appeal today. Click add to cart now, unleash the pressure, and watch the dirt beg for mercy. Because you weren't made for mediocre results, you were made to clean like a legend. This is your moment. Blast on.